Numerous crews in East Grand Rapids are working to move lines off of a pole and then replace it on Conlin between Elmwood and Maplewood. 3 poles in all were affected by the weather today, and they're getting looked at right now. Other crews have started visiting homes on this circuit to do what they need to do in order to restore some power. So more than 1,000 Consumers Energy customers were without power overnight in Portage. News 8's Josh Sanchez has more on how many had to rely on generators to stay warm.
According to the online Consumers Energy outage map, nearly all of the affected customers in Portage and Kalamazoo have their lights back on. But for a majority of the day, traffic lights were out, businesses were closed, and people were waiting for their lights to flicker back on. Near the intersection of Meredith Street and South Sprinkle Road, a Consumers Energy crew was inspecting a gas line. A utility spokesperson says a large tree was uprooted, affecting power lines. Crews were on scene to remove debris and restore power. Traffic lights were left in the dark. Earlier in the day, the outage map noted 1,147 customers without power in neighborhoods near the intersection. Customers like Lance Ailes. He says he bought a generator after being without power for 2 days this summer. While he had it safely stowed away, Ailes says his fiance had him set it up earlier this morning.
Of course, you know, she goes, "You got the generator out of the box?" And no. So 2 o'clock this morning, me and my cousin got it out of the box, and luckily it started up, and I got space heaters and got the refrigerator plugged in, and water's running, and we're good to go.
Consumers Energy says 500 crews were mobilized to restore power throughout their coverage area. In Kalamazoo, Josh Sanchez, News 8.